The items that disappear first during a supply disruption are never the ones you expect. They aren't on any shortage list or breaking news headline. Right now, in 2026, a combination of corporate discontinuations, tariff pressures, crop failures, and supply chain restructuring is quietly pulling 12 specific grocery items from mainstream shelves. These aren't rumors or predictions. Every single item on this list has verified, documented reasons it's leaving. By the time most people notice the gap, it's already too late to stock up affordably. Let's count them down. Let's start with number 12, and this one has been quietly disappearing for months already. Item 12. Fresh garlic. This isn't a corporate decision, it's a crop failure happening right now. California garlic has suffered a perfect storm of bad growing conditions since 2023, and according to agricultural reports, a return to normal supply is not expected until at least September 2026. On top of that, major growing regions in China and southern Europe also had difficult seasons this year. The result is tightening supply and rising prices at every major chain. Stock powdered garlic and garlic flakes, now while prices are still manageable, because fresh bulbs are only going to get more expensive and harder to find through summer. If this research is opening your eyes, hit subscribe right now. Item 11. Minute Maid Frozen Juice Concentrate. After 80 years on American grocery shelves, Coca-Cola officially confirmed the complete discontinuation of its entire Minute Maid Frozen Juice Concentrate line.
Minute Maid is discontinuing its frozen concentrates after 80 years. Parent company Coca-Cola says it's shifting focus to fresh juices consumers now prefer. The frozen varieties will be phased out by April as rising prices and changing tastes continue to squeeze the category.
Production ended in early 2026, with remaining inventory available only while supplies last. The company cited shifting consumer preferences toward ready-to-drink products. This is a permanent exit, not a temporary shortage. If you rely on frozen concentrate for vitamin C or have children who drink it regularly, switch to shelf-stable alternatives now before the freezer section gap becomes permanent across all major chains. Item 10. Affordable orange juice. Even beyond the Minute Maid discontinuation, orange juice itself is in serious trouble. Florida's orange production has collapsed from 244 million boxes per year in the late 1990s to a projected 12 million boxes in 2026, the lowest output since the 1930s. Citrus greening disease, multiple hurricanes including Irma, Ian, and Milton, and a severe cold snap in February 2026 have devastated Florida orchards. Tropicana's primary supplier, Alico Citrus, permanently ceased operations after the 2025 growing season. Expect orange juice prices to surge significantly and availability to become inconsistent at grocery chains nationwide throughout 2026. Item 9. Cumin and black pepper. Two of the most essential pantry spices are simultaneously under pressure right now. India, the world's primary cumin supplier, is facing a 14% reduction in farm acreage, meaning the spring 2026 harvest will be significantly smaller than recent years. Black pepper is also tightening fast. Output dropped by as much as 20% in 2025 due to severe weather events across India, Vietnam, and Indonesia, the three countries that supply most of the world's pepper. Tariffs are adding additional cost pressure on top of the crop shortfalls. Stock both spices in bulk now before prices reflect the full supply squeeze. Item 8. Canned goods across the board. This one affects everything in a can. Aluminum prices are rising sharply in 2026, and tariffs on imported tin are compounding the problem. Supply chain experts from Yale and the Council on Foreign Relations have both flagged this as a direct threat to grocery affordability, especially for lower-income households that depend heavily on canned staples. The cans themselves cost more to produce, which means manufacturers are either raising prices or quietly reducing order volumes to chains. Stock your canned beans, vegetables, and fish now while aluminum tariff impacts are still working their way through the supply chain. The next item surprises almost everyone. Stay with me. Item 7. Domestic beef. More than half of the U.S. red meat supply comes from Canada, and current tariff negotiations are creating serious uncertainty for importers. Beyond trade pressures, U.S. cattle ranchers are facing a herd shortage years in the making. Ranchers have been hesitant to rebuild herds after years of drought, and some are selling cattle instead of breeding them. The USDA projects beef production to be notably lower in 2026 as a result. Grocery chains are already quietly reducing premium cut availability. Ground beef and budget cuts will remain available, but prices are climbing, and selection is shrinking at major chains nationwide. Item 6. Fresh produce from Mexico. Mexico supplies half of all fresh fruit and vegetable imports into the United States. According to Yale University's Budget Lab, ongoing tariff negotiations and potential USMCA renegotiations in July 2026 are creating real uncertainty for food distributors operating at the U.S.-Mexico border. One Arizona food distributor interviewed by the Council on Foreign Relations described the situation as a slow bleed. Consumers won't see empty shelves overnight, but by summer 2026, the ripple effects will be clearly visible in produce aisles. Tomatoes, avocados, peppers, and squash are the most vulnerable categories to watch. Item 5. Cauliflower. Cauliflower demand has surged massively in recent years as a low-carb rice and pizza crust substitute. But supply hasn't kept up. A difficult weather year, combined with the market running ahead of schedule in early 2026, has created a classic supply crunch. Agricultural experts note that when the market runs ahead of schedule early in the year, lower supply almost always follows in the months after. Expect cauliflower prices to spike, and frozen cauliflower rice, already popular among health-conscious shoppers, to face consistent stockout issues through mid-2026. Item 4. Cottage cheese. The cottage cheese boom driven by social media nutrition trends in 2025 created a demand surge that producers simply could not keep pace with. Datum Intelligence projects the global cottage cheese market to surge toward $150 billion by 2030, but that growth path will not be smooth. In 2025, producers were already struggling to keep shelves stocked. In 2026, the supply problem has not been resolved, and demand continues to grow. If you rely on cottage cheese as a high-protein staple, buy an extra container during every shopping trip because stockouts are becoming a regular pattern at major chains. Item 3. PepsiCo snack products. PepsiCo officially announced plans to discontinue approximately 20% of its entire product line before early 2027 as part of a major restructuring agreement with investors. 3 manufacturing plants are closing. Products already confirmed as discontinued include Doritos Dinamita Sticks, Flamin' Hot White Cheddar Smart Food, Ruffles Lime and Jalapeno, Sun Chips Chili Lime, and multiple other Frito-Lay favorites. PepsiCo has not yet released the complete list of what's being cut. If you have a household favorite from the PepsiCo snack lineup, stock it now, because the full scope of these cuts won't be clear until products simply stop appearing on shelves. Item 2. Wild blueberries. Most wild blueberries in the U.S. come from Maine, and the state has been experiencing a serious drought that began in summer 2025 and has continued through early 2026. Wild blueberries are far more nutritionally dense than farmed varieties, containing significantly higher antioxidant levels, but they are not surviving the ongoing dry conditions. The wild blueberry industry is struggling to meet demand while harvests shrink. Expect frozen wild blueberry products in particular to become harder to find and more expensive at major chains through the rest of 2026. Stock frozen bags now while supply still exists on shelves. Item 1. Affordable canned foods from small brands. This is the most important item on the entire list, and it's invisible to most shoppers. As aluminum tariffs raise production costs and major chains consolidate shelf space to protect margins, small and mid-size canned food brands are being delisted first. The big national brands will survive. Supply chain experts describe this as a structural shift, not a temporary shortage. The affordable options disappear first, permanently. Every item on this list has a documented, verified reason it's leaving shelves: crop failures, corporate discontinuations, tariff pressure, and supply chain restructuring happening right now in 2026. This isn't fear, it's information. And information is exactly what separates a prepared household from a panicked one. If this research helped you identify gaps in your own pantry, hit that like button and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, which of these 12 surprised you the most? I read every single one.